Welcome to my YouTube channel Hindustan Times. In 2025, the skies are no longer ruled by ordinary aircraft and new era of stealth and dominance has begun. And at the center of it all stands Russia's most advanced creation, the SU-70 Okhotnik. This drone isn't just a machine, it's a revolution in modern air power. Built by Sukhoi with cutting-edge technology, the Okhotnik, which means hunter, has been designed to strike, spy, and survive in the deadliest of airspaces, far beyond the reach of conventional systems. The SU-70 Okhotnik represents the pinnacle of Russian aerospace engineering, a stealth drone capable of operating independently or in coordination with fighter jets like the Su-57. Its sleek flying wing design, inspired by next-generation stealth architecture, allows it to remain invisible to radar detection. The blue-gray metallic surface absorbs enemy signals, while the golden reflection of morning sunlight across its body gives it an unmistakable identity in cinematic military photography. This drone moves through the air like a shadow, silent, swift, and unstoppable. Powering the Okhotnik is a modified AL-41F turbofan engine, giving it an incredible speed of nearly 1,000 km per hour. Its operational range extends beyond 6,000 km, meaning it can perform deep penetration missions without refueling. It can fly long hours over enemy lines, scan wide territories, and strike with absolute precision. Every movement is guided by artificial intelligence, as the drone can make decisions mid-air, adjust its flight path, identify targets, and even coordinate attacks in real time. It's not just remotely controlled, it's a learning machine built for the battlefields of tomorrow. The Su-70's internal weapons bay houses an arsenal of guided bombs and air-to-air or air-to-ground missiles. With its electronic warfare systems, it can jam enemy radars, disable communication, and disrupt defenses before a single shot is fired. In a coordinated mission, the Okhotnik can fly alongside the Su-57 stealth fighter as a loyal wingman. While the Su-57 leads the offensive, the Okhotnik scans the environment, tracks enemy targets, and delivers supporting fire. Together, they form a deadly combination that multiplies Russia's air power many times over. What truly sets this drone apart is its intelligence and endurance. Built with composite materials and radar-absorbent coatings, it's light yet resilient. It can carry a payload of more than 2 tons, making it one of the most heavily armed drones in its class. The flight control system ensures stable maneuvers even under extreme weather or combat stress. It's capable of automatic takeoff, landing, and mission execution, a completely autonomous warrior. When it glides through the air, the noise is minimal, the radar trace nearly zero, and its visibility in the sky is almost non-existent. The enemy sees nothing until it's too late. Russian engineers have tested the Okhotnik in various environments: icy tundras, desert heat, and high-altitude terrains. Each time, it has proven its reliability and precision. Its sensors capture detailed data from miles away, making it a perfect reconnaissance platform as well. Whether it's surveillance, attack, or electronic disruption, the Okhotnik performs with precision that defines the future of aerial warfare. Its flight footage shows pure mechanical grace: a dark metallic bird rising with power, cutting through clouds, and returning with silent victory. Beyond its physical strength, the Su-70 represents Russia's vision for the future. As nations develop 6th-generation aircraft, this drone gives Russia a head start in unmanned stealth combat. It's not just a companion to manned fighters, it's a pathfinder for the next generation of fully autonomous combat systems. With its ability to operate deep inside enemy zones and its near-invisible radar signature, it challenges the dominance of even the most advanced Western air defenses. When sunlight heats its surface and the camera captures that signature golden blue reflection, it's not just an aircraft, it's a statement of technological supremacy. The precision of its movement, the silence of its operation, and the accuracy of its strikes make the Okhotnik one of the most feared drones on Earth. It is not a prototype anymore, it's an operational force, ready for missions that demand stealth, speed, and power. As it soars above the clouds, the Su-70 Okhotnik symbolizes the next phase of air warfare, a one where machines think, adapt, and fight with intelligence once thought impossible. It's a glimpse into a future where the hunter never sleeps, never misses, and never reveals itself. The skies belong to those who master stealth, and in 2025, Russia's Okhotnik stands above them all, a fast, invisible, and lethal. This is the SU-70 Okhotnik, the hunter that rules the skies, a new legend of air power, and the pride of Russian aviation. Welcome to Hindustan Times, where the future of warfare meets the art of engineering, and where the sky itself becomes the battlefield of innovation.